ChatGPT has taken the internet by storm since its launch in November last year. The AI-powered chatbot can do almost anything from writing a poem to successfully writing code for any kind of software. It is a revolutionary technology, since it has been trained to learn what humans mean when they ask questions. Many users are impressed by its ability to produce human-quality responses, giving the impression that it may one day have the capability to transform how humans interact with computers and how information is retrieved. It is a useful tool for students, researchers, and anyone looking for an AI-powered conversational experience. If you haven't tried it yet, here is a step-by-step guide on how to access and use ChatGPT. On your browser, go to chat.openai.com. The website will ask you to sign up for a new account or log in to continue, if you already have one. You may not be able to access ChatGPT during peak times, but you can try again at another time, often later in the day, until you get on board. The usage notification always includes some sort of ChatGPT-generated message about the site status, like the guided meditation shown here. You may also enter your email address to be notified when the site is up and running again. Once you can access the website, you can create an account with an email address, or you can use your Google or Microsoft account to access ChatGPT. After providing your email ID and password, ChatGPT will send an email address verification email to verify that this is your email address. Later, you will also need to provide your first and last name as well as verify your phone number. Once you log in, you will see a disclaimer notice that this is a free research preview. ChatGPT may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content, and is not intended to give advice. Another disclaimer follows, because the public's use of ChatGPT is designed to help improve the chatbot. Whatever you tell it may be scrutinized, so don't share anything sensitive. Finally, OpenAI says you can help improve ChatGPT by giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down on any given response, or by sharing feedback on their Discord server. After clicking through this final pop-up message, you will see the ChatGPT's homepage, which lists some of the chatbot features and limitations, and some examples of what it can do. You can talk to ChatGPT using the search bar at the bottom of the page. As soon as you ask a question there, ChatGPT will start answering in a new chat. If you wish to change your question, mouse over it and a pen and paper icon will appear to the right. Click on it, edit the question, and then click Save and Submit. As mentioned earlier, you can provide feedback on whether an answer was helpful or not by clicking the thumbs up or thumbs down option to the down of an answer. You can also see another answer to the same question by clicking Regenerate Response at the bottom of the page. ChatGPT automatically suggests a name for each chat to save it for later use. You can rename the chat by clicking the pencil icon, or you can remove it by clicking the trash button. To continue any chat, keep typing in the search field at the bottom of the page. To start a new chat means starting multiple chats on different topics. Click New Chat in the top left corner. If you wish to delete multiple chats at once, click Clear Conversations from the menu on the bottom left. Although ChatGPT is free to use, there is also a paid subscription version, ChatGPT Plus, which you can get if you want to upgrade. It costs $20 per month and gives you access anytime, even during peak times when free users may be locked out. It also gives you faster response speed and priority access to newly developed features. It's no surprise that ChatGPT has become a viral phenomenon. The online AI chatbot has blown away the public, and everyone seems eager to test it out. Now you can also start using ChatGPT with these step-by-step guides.